Why does density matter in chemistry? Is it just another number in a long list of physical properties, or does it carry more weight? Well, density is quite the heavyweight in chemistry, and here's why. Density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. It's a measure of how tightly packed the particles of a material are. If a substance has high density, it means the particles are snuggled up close and personal. On the other hand, a low-density substance has particles that enjoy their personal space. Think about it this way. Imagine a packed concert. The crowd of people is like the particles in a high-density substance, all squished together. Compare that to a spacious park with a handful of people scattered about. That's a low-density substance. So, why does this matter? Well, density can predict the behavior of substances in different situations. Will a liquid float or sink in water? That's a question of density. What about the pressure and volume of a gas? Density has the answer, and it doesn't stop there. Density is also a key player in chemical reactions. It can help calculate the amount of product that will form from a reactant, or determine the concentration of a solute in a solution. Measuring density can be done in a few ways. You've got signometry, hydrostatics, and buoyancy. And in the chemistry world, you'll typically see density measured in grams per cubic centimeter or kilograms per cubic meter. Let's dive into some real-life examples. Ever wondered how chemists determine the purity of a substance? You guessed it, density. Say we've got a gold sample. Pure gold has a known density of 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. If our sample clocks in at 18.5 grams per cubic centimeter, we know it's not pure gold. Density can also help separate mixtures. Take a mixture of salt and sugar, dissolve it in water, then evaporate the water. The salt, being denser, will crystallize out first, leaving the sugar behind. And it's not just useful in the lab. Density plays a crucial role in designing chemical processes too. For instance, the density of a liquid can help determine the optimal design for a distillation column. So, there you have it. Density is not just another number. It's a fundamental concept with wide-ranging applications, from the lab bench to industrial processes. It's the unsung hero of chemistry, working behind the scenes to make sense of the world at the molecular level. No matter where you look in chemistry, density is there, holding it all together.